Breaking news first here at 5 o'clock. Karen Read's retrial will begin in 1 week. Within the last hour, the judge denied Read's request to dismiss the charges against her. In her ruling, Judge Beverly Cannone writes this, quote, "Such a drastic sanction is justified only in response to the most egregious and truly harmful conduct. In all but the worst cases, the appropriate remedy is at best a new trial, such as the one that is scheduled to begin soon." Good evening, everybody. I'm Ben Simoneau.
And I'm Erica Tarantel. News Center 5's David Bienick is live outside the courthouse in Dedham tonight. And David, this is not the only decision the judge is tasked with making.
Yeah, that's right, Erica. The judge also has to decide whether to allow the defense to tell their version to the jury, namely that someone else is responsible for the crimes of which she is accused. Now, the judge did allow this for Read's first trial, but has yet to make up her mind for the second. In a preview of the theory they plan to lay out at trial, Karen Read's attorneys named the 3 other people they say killed John O'Keefe and the reasons why.
There is ample evidence tending to show that somebody else caused John O'Keefe's death.
Defense attorney David Dunetti described Brian Albert as a bully, known for punching other police officers. He said his nephew, Colin Albert, had a beef with O'Keefe over beer cans thrown in O'Keefe's yard. And he said ATF agent Brian Higgins was upset because Read had stopped sending him flirtatious text messages.
We're solely seeking to introduce the crux of a third-party culprit defense, which is evidence of motive, opportunity, and means, all of which Brian Albert, Brian Higgins, and Colin Albert had.
In a statement, a lawyer for Brian Albert said the defense strategy in the first trial was to concoct a work of fiction by pointing the finger at innocent civilians. It appears they plan to rely on fiction again in the second trial.
Take a couple of facts. Someone's a boxer, they drank alcohol, and convert it into a story. Is how they will try to portray these unsubstantiated facts at trial. They'll tell a story. It will divert the jury's attention.
Earlier, Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan argued he should be allowed to see text messages between Read and Yannetti, saying Read has given up her attorney-client privilege by talking about her lawyer conversations in public. But as one of Read's attorneys was arguing against Brennan's request, the judge cut him off and said she'd heard enough.
I'm not going to give you this information, Mr. Brennan. I don't even think it's appropriate from my eyes, so the motion is denied.
So the prosecutors will not get to see those messages between Read and her attorneys. Meanwhile, the judge said that 218 people have already received jury summons to be here for day 1 of jury selection, just day 1. The entire process is expected to last several weeks. Live in Dedham, David Bienick, WCVB News Center 5.